Okay, so that appeared to be a bolt to hold the valve cover to the head. If you look right here, I'll give the smoke machine some pressure and you can see it comes billowing out. Get a better angle. Yeah, let me try this. See it? So I'm guessing that's my fuel trim malfunction on bank 2, considering it's near the last cylinder. I'm going to go ahead and seal that up, clear the code. And apparently I purchased a new O2 sensor for nothing, but you know, it is what it is. You can see it coming out right there. Unbelievable what a little air leak will do.